mubaze we arabitekereza iki because ngiye rwose nashake nushaka kumbwira nce muri screen uhita unyitwarira kano kanya. I'm coming to take you. Feel me?
Nawe nuzana ibintu byo kumbeshya.
Bro, come on. Yeah.
Yes, thank you, man. Busy.
Come on, kabisa. It's giving the that really is in the chat. Ooh, okay. Yeah. Videos kabisa akavuye gutama kantu kaka, you know. Is that US?
Ngiye kumanura abantu bose bari hano hejuru. It's already time. I have to stay here with my couples. So I want to stay here with them. I want to know what.
All right.
Guys, nabonye umusheri mujye muza muri musheri wanjye. Did you follow me or let me follow you? Uziko sheri wanjye tanamfluence we.
I mean, naje kureba kuri platform yawe nsanga nta kintu kimwe kiriho. You just like a ghost. Nta kintu kimwe kibereyeho rwose.
I mean, I'll go to my Instagram, you see me.
Your IG?
Yeah.
Text me your IG. Text me your IG in chat. I mean,
No,
you need to text me. Don't.
Hey, do not worry. I have PhD in there. Yeah. Aye.
Nabyutse ririmo bazango.
What's going on?
Ndi Murukundo niribo. Oh yeah.
Everything going on here is positive. It's positive.
Are you okay? Are you okay, Blessed? Are you okay?
Straight up.
Yeah. That is the chat. Personally, it's giving.
I mean, ntabwo nkunda kujya ariko I mean, if my man is cooking, definitely I have to eat. You know what I'm saying?
I can cook everything kabisa. Havuyemo okay. Hari ibintu ndazikora cyane ibintu ngo ibintu by'imigati n'ibiki ntabwo mbizi cyane. Ariko everything about savory dishes.
None ikibazo shinzwe imigati. I don't eat burgers. I don't.
Aye.
I like veggies. Anything veggies, yes. You know, mukunzi wanjye nimba ari n'umuntu wari wamusariye rwose by'abacanzi.
Babakobwa bazaga babanyibwirishwa ngo barankunda urukundo rusigare ari urw'abafana gusa apana romantically because I am taken. Feel me?
You are what? You are what?
Rusigare
Can you repeat after me? You are taken.
I am taken. Yeah.
Definitely.
So urukundo abandi bakobwa bankundaga rusigare ari urwa content nkora gusa nyine
kuri zero content ntabwo anyibwiye neza kuri zero content.
It's better if you check it out.
No, you can tell her like.
Yeah, tell me.
You can give her summary.
Yeah, I am food and fitness influencer.
Fitness, I like that.
Yeah. Food and fitness.
There is something I forgot to ask you. Hari ibintu njya mbaza wasanze neri ariwe ugiye kugira ariko ubu ngubu ngiye kubikubaza.
Yeah.
Where do you live? Utuye he?
Nyamirambo.
A part of content, what do you do for a living?
Nakoraga muri hotel. And I quit for the content. And abari n'utundi tuntu nyine umuntu agenda akora gake gakeya kuko there is many ways I earn from contents.
You have other job you do on the side. Okay.
Yeah, there is n'utuntu twinshi umuntu akora and more coming businesses ziri muri finished process.
Okay, ufite imyaka ingahe?
27. Yeah. I might look young, but I'm old.
Alright, it's okay. Yeah, ntago mbaza imyaka kugira ngo umuntu numve ko ari mukuru cyangwa ari muto, mba mbaza imyaka kugira ngo abantu bamenyane. So, now my question goes to Blaze.
Yeah.
Blaze, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Utuye he?
Ntabwo nahavuga for some reason but okay, ndi umunyarwanda guys. But
ntabwo utuye Kimironko cyangwa Rwamagana?
okay, ndavuga i Remera.
Oh, okay. Hanyuma ufite imyaka ingahe?
Aranduta. Sheri wanjye aranduta.
Okay. Ukora iki?
I'm a nurse. Yeah. I'm a nurse, I'm a therapist, I do a lot. I'm a nurse and therapist.
Okay, thank you. Reka nkubaze. Ikibazo kirareba mwebwe mwese. Mwashimanye?
Twapfuye. Ko sheri wanjye atavuga?
Aravuze ngo ni gake.
No, it's giving khaki nature. So ushimira gusa.
Okay, gake.
Yeah. No, it's not, no. Iyo murakuvuga gutya ahubwo bari biba byabize.
Kubera ko nzi hari n'ibindi bintu bajya bagira gutya when it is something is not yet.
No, but you like this, sheri. Babe, so do like this.
Yeah, like this. Ayabyumva se sha.
No, baby, do like this.
Try.
Okay, let me do
Try
this.
this. Like when you do this, you
This
see?
is sheri.
Yeah, they
No,
had to
baby.
go.
Okay.
Arsene ntabwo byakunaniye gukora umutima wawe neza.
Man, come on. Hold on. Hey, on now. There is no way I cannot be able to.
Gumbegi.
Bagira gutya. Urabona when it is doing like this,
No.
when it is like this,
No,
it is
Zana,
not.
this one on the side.
But one person is doing like this, you can
One
do
or
like
this
this
one?
and you do her.
No, the other one, babe. Like this, yeah. Come on,
Noneho ukora umutima. Dore.
put on the side.
Dore umutima
Yes.
izi ntoki iyo zifatanye. Noneho iyo mwagize gutya undi akagira gutya mu ishusho y'umutima mwiza. Umuntu yagize Arsene ubundi ufite akazi kenshi pe.
This is not my ways of showing love.
Ufite akazi kenshi.
There is ways I can show. Yeah, I am please charming. Yeah. There is ways I can, provide my love. I mean, so maybe this one is kind of this is maybe new to me.
Sorry,
But,
Pedro, Sheri, don't worry, my love. I got you.
yeah.
Umva, abakobwa baramutegereje sheri wanjye. Nguyu. Bamwita Arsene.
N'abakobwa bibaga bagirishwa ngo barankunda nibyo ko urukundo rusigara ari urw'ubufana gusa. Urukundo rurenze urw'ubufana ubwo ngubwo I don't know, sinzi hano mugiye kurujyana ariko ubwo nta rugihari. Muri make mumfate ko ujya nko kugura ikintu mu isoko ugasanga cyashize.
Okay.
Yeah.
Byaciyemo byakonze.
Nice. Ibindi biri even more further dufite ahantu tuzabiganirira.
Mugiye kwifollowinga ubundi mugende njye kwiresitingira live yanjye. Equally powered.
And hard.
Sheri twigendere kwivuganira.
Bagiye kamanze ngo following ubundi.
Mundu sheri wanjye utaramfollowinga we.
Arsene, are you single? Are you really single?
Everybody knows it. Everybody knows I'm single. Yeah.
Let me ask you again. Arsene, are you sure that you're single?
Ubundi ngewe iyo ndi single no mu isura yibona. Isura yanjye.
Ujye mubwira ngo swear.
Ibisa nk'iyakanyaraye kuko nta rukundo ruba rwiyuherutsemo do.
Oh, yeah, your name is Sheri. Are you single? Yes or no?
I am.
You are single.
Amaso yanjye yuzuyemo ibyishimo kubera you know. Yeah. Ubu ngubu ngiye guhita nongera mba umwana.
Ngo Sheri wawe baramuzi.
Niba abandi bagenda banyitirira. Bagenda banyitirira nyine babafana baraba subizi. ahubwo reka mubwire kugira hano na reliyoza yo. When you are kind of public figure, there is, you know, there is some obstacles. There's some obstacles. Feel me? Tuzaza kuza nko muri iyo DM they be like uriya muhungu abantu bakigira nk'aho banzi ibyo baza kubwira byose ntago ari byo ibyo abantu babona nibyo banapostinze gusa. Feel me? Turabazi abanyeshuri
You just let people see wereka abantu ibyo ushaka ko babona.
Absolutely. I show them what I want them to see.
What do you want them to see? I got what you're saying.
Yeah. So
mnashaka kumbona Sheri, this is me. Hello.
Oya ba Sheri wawe ko yakubonye abandi urabiyere kubashaka hiki.
Sibyo rata.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Urumva rero
urumva kanje kwibigana na Sheri wanje ndumva ibitotsi binyisha nsinziriza. Bye guys.
Bye. Thank you millions.
Ndahita nguhinga nyine.
Arsene umukobwa unyandikiye muri inbox. Betse nze muvuge n'amazina niba nta kibazo.
Muvuge.
None se arambwiye ngo Arsene ngari kubeshya Sheri we ndamuzi.
Reka da.
Ngore screenshot.
Abo nabakubwiye abo ngabo uzabona benshi cyane.
Kambanze mbyumve kugira amenye ko ndi
Kamubwira mumbwire ampe n'ifoto. Nta foto nta cyabaye.
Yego. Mubwira muzane rwose. Namuzane. Ya sure ibyo ngibyo ni ibintu nibaza twirwa tunyuramo buri munsi, you know. It's kind of
mabwira. Nimba na Sheri wange arimo kubeshya mu mundekere n'uwange. Let me just go through it.
Ubundi rega.
Mureke nje ndwane n'ibibazo byanje, mureke kurwana n'ibibazo byanje.
Hano urumva hari abahaters benshi because maybe they are single for years. Babuze abasheri urumva. Rero bibona umuntu wibona umusheri gatoya uzarebe barugera amacumu ari kurugera amacumu. Bari kurugera amacumu rwose urumva. Rero abo ngabo bareke kuko nyine twe turabamenyereye nyine. Niyo bavuze ko uzana twe turamenyereye batanga
Shamuteka twikundanye. Ubwo mwabizi nk'iyo mbyutse iki gitondo nkabyuka nta message mbona ya good morning murumva nishimye mwaritse nk'iyikundanira. Mbese ko yacibahisha amafoto yawe abantu bambwiraga nabi kuri TikTok bamwe bagapostinga ibintu byari nabishaka.
You don't need to explain.
Okay.
Bafite amashari. Message zacu.
Ariko guys ushaka kundeba agenda kuri Instagram yanjye nitwa Nelly_.
Message zacu ziba zaragaze kubera kutabona umuntu twandikira. Ubu ngubu tugiye kongera tugiye gute.
Communication wanjye nimba mufite nanjye nabo wa kabiri. It's okay.
Sawa nyine.
Nabo wa kabiri.
Ya majwi yanjye ari hesha.
Arandi kubona message ngo arakubeshya.
Are you for real?
Arise twagiye tugahita tuvugana.
Let's go. You can be even the second. Waba n'uwa kabiri.
I mean, I'm joking. I like to eat my own meal. Nagunda gusangira n'umuntu.
Absolutely. There is no need, but there is no way. I mean,
kubera ko ntabwo nkunda ko abakobwa bagenzi banjye cyangwa mama ntabwo nababaza.
Yeah.
If you have somebody, I will respect that. Bayambwiye ko njye nyine ba.
Urumva abangaba nyine nkuko nabikubwiye turabamenyereye abantu nk'aba turamenyereye kandi ndabizi ko uzazayimenyera because that's the part of being public figure. There is a, there is a,
Harya wambwiye ngo uri mu public figure, okay.
absolutely, yeah.
bivuga ngo bashobora
Bivuge se what,
Harabuzumva banyitirira, harabuzumva muri make isala. Yeah, isala. Ahubwo ikindi kintu ugomba kuba aware yacyo cyangwa se ugomba kuba ready, like urabona nk'ubu ngubu maybe when I am iyo ngiye out, everybody be like Arsene, I have fans everywhere, so you need, I mean.
So what do you do for a living, like, because now you're confusing me though.
Wowe umenya ko igihe tuzajya tugenda ubwo nyine uzajya kubona ubona abantu baraje nyine it's going, they be turning me up, feel me? So rero nyine ntibizakubangamire, it's kind of yeah, I have.
That means I'm not gonna cook on Jenagung. Like, I mean, okay, that means
there is always fans there. Remember? So they be like, Chef Arsene. Oh, that's your wife?
Chef Arsene. I need to let me search something real quick because now you're confusing me.
Hey, come on.
Chef Arsene.
Yeah.
Chef Arsene. Let me see.
You gonna stalk him?
No, let me see because he said kubera ko njyewe umuntu w'umuhanzi nzi mu Rwanda wa mbere nzi umuhanzi bita Riderman. Other than that, like, bro, you tell me, Chef Arsene. Let me see, Chef Arsene.
Arsene is not a singer.
Oh, ntabwo ari umuhanzi sheri.
No. He's a celebrity, but he's not a singer.
Yeah.
He's a content creator.
And my content is, niza content nyine buri muntu wese yisangamo, wherever woman, a man, a child, buri niza content buri muntu wese yisangamo. So niyo mpamvu everywhere I go there is somebody who knows me. And
someone is writing in the comment section. Arsene niwe waririmbye pop. Jesus Christ.
rero nyine
nibabwira ngo ndimo gushaka kuri YouTube nibatungure.
Yeah, no kuri YouTube ndiho anyways. I use all platforms.
So this is you?
Yeah, that's me. That's me.
Let me see. Popular Rwanda food in Florence. Okay. Oh, okay. Delicious recipe, traditional Rwandan dishes. Nese umuhungu wacu ko never mind ko yaje mu Rwanda mukamwima inyama. Ubita Aisha Speed.
Tuka?
Kamwima inyama.
Nyine ntabwo tuzuba mugenzaga ariko natwe twarababaye nyine nta kundi. Ariko I am a biggest fan of him.
Okay,
yeah.
Okay, I see.
Plum in the chat. Yeah. So you can even check my Instagram, TikTok, for me. Host Chef Arsene, you see everything.
No, you need to go check up on me.
I mean, you know what? Deal me your handle because I was talking about
just write Nelly.
Okay.
Underscore.
Yamwandikire muri inbox. Turakwigisha ukuntu
bigenda. No, nabyo hano abikoze.
Okay. Arsene ntabwo texting. Musacinga kuri Instagram Arsene uramubona.
Ntabwo ndi mubona.
Yo umva.
Okay. Arsene texting a blessed girl inbox texting no.
Oya riri yimwereke wowe.
Andika Chef Arsene muri nzora tumbona.
Okay, reka mwohereze kuri Instagram yawe account ya Chef Arsene.
Oya mwohereze yanjye sheri.
Yanjye iri verified right uyibona. Oh, Nelly. Okay.
Nelly_Wabo. Guys, nibonye umushire muri aho ngaho nimuzongera kumbura kuri live muzamenye ko nabaye bisi. Nelly_Wabo. Nelly Boo, like putting underscore.
Don't read the comment for me, please, I beg.
I won't tell her.
I'll send naguhaye link ya account ya kuri Instagram.
Alright. Thank you, Lilios.
No, uzi abandi nibo bamboye ndikona abantu. Okay, oh, cute.
Thank you, Lilios. Aziko nanjye nari nkubonye asa ahubwo. Ahubwo simbe namenye ngo ninde. Na Libu nakubonye.
Ngaho mufollowingane mumvire blessed. Oh yeah, namwe ibyo comment byanyu mubivane hano. Anyway, let's move.
Guys, kanjye baje connect ibindi turi kumwe. I will come back and bahereza plan.
Yes, sir. Oh.
Nelly Boo. Koni. Okay, let me see.
Thank you, Lilios.
Ako yoro waryamye my boo.
Yoro ntabwo atari yashka.
Mwambwiye ngo ina account niye. Siko mwambwiye.
Yanditseho Chingi Chonga niwe Chingi Chonga.
Iyo ngiye.
Niwe waje.
Waryamye.
Wait, what? I don't know. Yeah, Labi. Sha. Okay, I'm not gonna say it.
Ngo riri nsigaye gukunda. Ubundi waranyangaga.
Uwo muntu yarahindutse.
Warahindutse mbere waranyagaga. Wa. Ngamumbire rero. Mugende nikorere nuzi ubwo ubonye umukunzi undi nakamubonye urumva.
Thank you so much, Lilios. Thank you so much, Bella.
Arsene ni ndabuka.
Ubuse nagiye wantwara iki mvuze ngo ndaguma aha ngaha wantwara iki.
Thank you, Bella. Thank you, Bella, for the gift. Thank you.
Ndashaka kuri freshinga live nkajya kugira nkahita ngaruka nkongera nkafungura kugira ngo
bye guys nzaza mbabwira
ngo algorithm imenyereye ko nge ntangira live saa 3 none natangiye kare.
Bye guys,
I have to restart it, then I start saa 3 nk'ibisanzwe abantu banje bakaba ready bagahita bamenya ko nyine nahageze.
sawa sheri katujye muri day.
Arsene sabone umukunzi muri nuze muri refreshing time. Reka narirebye nsanga nta mubyeyi undimo mbabarira cyane. Narange nzamubyarira umwana kandi narirebye nsanga nta mubyeyi undimo niyihanganye. Genda reka mwe muri gukundana ndaje. Mugere muri gukundana. Komeza.